Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting a waxed cotton or linen thread about 0.5 1 mm thick. It grips better and lasts longer. Once you remove the old grip and sand any roughness, anchor the thread at the top of the handle with a secure half hitch and leave a 1-2 cm tail. Pull firm but not tight. You want even tension to avoid twisting the handle. Continue wrapping immediately. This first turn sets alignment, so confirm the thread sits flush and centered before proceeding. You now wrap down the handle with consistent, even tension. This is crucial for feel and durability. Overlap each turn about 30–40% so the layers build a smooth, cushioned profile. Use your thumb to compress the thread as you go to eliminate gaps. Once done with every 5–6 turns, stop and check alignment. Small corrections are easy early but impossible later. If the handle flares, unwind slightly and rebalance. Maintain a steady pace. You finish by trimming the thread, leaving about 1 cm to tuck under the last wrap. If tucking is tight, add a drop of fabric glue to secure it. Once secured, apply a thin finishing tape or a light shellac coat to protect the thread and equalize texture. Make sure to let any adhesive dry fully before play. If you feel slippage or lumps during a quick test swing, rewrap that section. Better to fix now than chase irregular feel later.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.